Hi guys, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. For whom this video is important? Number one, for people those who are doing their BTech Marine Engineering in college. For people who are already doing their graduate Marine Engineering, are studying in their college. For people who are about to go on their first ship on sail as a junior engineer, or people who are already sailing on their first ship as a junior engineer. This video is very important because junior engineer excellence package was made keeping your career in mind so that you earn respect on ship, इज्जत कमाओ, नाम कमाओ, शिप को लेके ये ना सोचना पड़े रे कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, get faster promotions and move ahead in life. So let me share कि now guys on the screen you can see that there is this junior engineer excellence package. इसके अंदर a lot of packages like workshop technology, basic troubleshooting, automation, ship hydraulic system, maneuvering diagram, electrical package, achiever package, visionary package, dreamer package, and a cost of 13,888 for 2 years validity. This is the cost plus GST. So guys, if you are ready to invest, so first question is why you should invest, and second is how you should study so that आपको maximum output मिले. So let's just start. So first thing is guys, suppose you are watching and you are already studying as a GME graduate marine in college, or you are about to go on your first ship. So even before going on first ship, the thing that you have to do is आपको इसमें से you have to finish dreamer package, visionary package, basic electrical package and achiever package. ये चार package you have to finish before going on ship. These are the basic foundation that you need to make. Dreamer package is all theory. This is basically ship पे अगर आप जाओगे तो they can ask you questions about भाई why 2 stroke, why 4 stroke, why main engine 2 stroke, very basic questions on viscosity or something. A centrifugal pump, how do we start, how do we keep the discharge valve shut, all those stuffs. Visionary package is very important because these are all practical videos on board ship. Ship के practical videos with basic theory which you need. Whether in visionary package you want to see say filters के बारे में जानना है, you want to know about valves, workshop, manometers, pressure gauge, pumps, engine room round, line diagrams को देखने हो, cargo control room, fire alarms testing, फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम ऑन बोर्ड शिप, लीक्स, हॉटस्पॉट, पोर्टेबल फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स, लाइफ बोट, रेस्क्यू बोट, ये जितनी भी चीजें एज यू कैन सी, क्विक क्लोजिंग वॉल्व स्ट्राउट, सेफ्टी हार्नेस, बॉयलर सिस्टम, ऑयली वाटर सेपरेटर, रीफर सिस्टम विद प्रैक्टिकल वीडियोज, सब चीजें. ऑल दीज वीडियोज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ये आपको शिप के नजदीक लेके जाएंगे. दे विल हेल्प यू. जो हम गलतियां करते हैं शिप के ऊपर, जो प्रैक्टिकल मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, जो नॉलेज नहीं होती उसके कारण, दे विल हेल्प यू नॉट मेक दोज मिस्टेक्स. Then comes achiever package. Achiever package is again similar on knowledge pattern, but यहाँ पर on it comes on a higher level कि भैया testing, what fresh water testing, purifier system, fresh water testing, lube oils, flow meters, lube oil testing, fresh water generator, bunker calculation, bunkering process, steam system, vent heads, ball remote, blower flaps and funnel flaps, funnel inspection, hydraulic jacks, cranes, calibrators. ये थोड़ा सा level ऊपर है. अगर आपको लगता है कि से अचीवर पैकेज विल डू ऑन बैक, नो प्रॉब्लम्स. इलेक्ट्रिकल पैकेज अगेन से नंबर 3 पे रख दीजिए, नंबर 4 पर अचीवर पैकेज रख दीजिए. वाई इलेक्ट्रिकल पैकेज? इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी बेसिक्स. अरे यू गो ऑन शिप एंड चीफ एंड आस्क, अरे हाउ डज द करंट फ्लो, what is positive and what is negative, what is AVR, why will 2 generators come on load, what is synchronization. There are a lot of stuff they can ask you on very basic terms. This basic electrical package will help you cover all those needs भाई. ये start होता है atom से. See, it start from atoms and it takes you from there to high voltage resistors, capacitors, inductance, house wiring, earthing, transformer losses, AC system, rectifiers, DC motors, alternators, firing system, power factor, and a lot of practical videos on clamp meter, multimeter, meggers, circuit breakers, corrosion cranes, and alarms and trips. Why guys this package is important? Because again ये सब चीज आपसे शिप पे पूछी जाएंगी. Very very important to earn respect on ship. One more very important package that you need to do before going on ship is workshop technology. Why? कि भैया शिप पे जाने से पहले this workshop technology can be done maybe even 2 days before going on ship. अरे यार गैसकेट कैसे काटते हैं, what kind of spanners to use, where to use, मैं भूल तो गया नट एंड बोल्ट कैसे टाइट होते हैं. अरे यार what is ring spanner, what is open ended spanner, which kind of hammer to use where, how to make threads, which kind of tool is used where, vernier caliper क्या होता है, outside caliper क्या होता है, all these things because you have done in a workshop in college, but you might forget. This will not let you forget. One more immensely important package, again यार आप बोलोगे इतने सारे पैकेजेस पहले कर रहे हैं, क्या है? देखिए, सी व्हेन आई वाज ऑन शिप आई मेड अ लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स. then another junior engineer went on, he made same mistakes. So एक package is only dedicated to the mistakes, only mistakes that you make on ship. Dreamer package, visionary package, achiever package, electrical package, even workshop technology package dedicated to theory part plus practical knowledge, it will help you earn respect on ship. This package is so that you do not mess your respect. इस पे गालियां पड़ेंगी. So this package was meant because इस पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ गलतियां हैं guys. You make mistakes by daily transfer on board ship. Incinerator में problem होती है. You will be told to burn incinerator and you do not know what to do. यार कैसे करें? तो अगर आपको पता चल जाएगा वो problems, you will be able to do well. Engine room logbook, you write one make mistake, you will get a lot of scolding. गाली भी पड़ सकती है. Similarly for tank sounding, where not to tell lies, why not to tell, where you make problems. Similarly for exhaust gas boiler cleaning, filters में mistakes, walls में pressure gauges. This package is only dedicated, you can see everything, only for mistakes and mistakes and mistakes. ये 4-5 पैकेजेस आपको अगर शिप पे करने से पहले गए हैं, यू विल डेफिनेटली ऑन रिस्पेक्ट ऑन शिप, यू विल बी 3 months अहेड. नाउ गाइज इमेंसली यू गो ऑन शिप एंड अब क्या सर ये सब चीजें मुझे आती हैं, आई एम डूइंग वेल, विद इन 15 days यू विल गेट फैमिलियराइज, विद इन 1 month. नाउ नेक्स्ट 2 months ऑन बोर्ड शिप यू विल स्टडी ऑटोमेशन पैकेज अगेन मेड बाय मी. क्योंकि जब आप ऑटोमेशन पैकेज शिप पे पढ़ोगे और आप प्रैक्टिकली देखोगे रे प्रेशर स्विच क्या होता है, प्रेशर ट्रांसमीटर क्या होता है, टेम्परेचर ट्रांसमीटर क्या होता है, डीपी सेल क्या होता है, व्हाई दिस व्हाई दैट, अरे प्रणीत सर शोड, आई एम सीइंग इट ओवर हियर, अमेजिंग एडवांस. सिमिलरली देन कम शिप हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम. उससे पहले मनूरियन डायग्राम, चलो उससे पहले मनूरियन डायग्राम. से यू आर वर्किंग ऑन एमएन बीएमडब्ल्यू इंजन्स, ग्रेट. मनूरियन डायग्राम 3.5 घंटे का कंटेंट है, मे बी यू विल फिनिश इन 7 days ऑन बोर्ड शिप, गिविंग 2 hours एवरी डे. अंडरस्टैंड भी तो करना है. एंड इमीडिएटली यू गो ऑन इन द इंजन रूम एंड सी यार ये वॉल्व कहाँ पर है, ये वॉल्व कहाँ पर है, ये तो डायग्राम आई कैन सी इन इंजन रूम इटसेल्फ. वाओ यार आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. मे बी यू कैन ऑटोमेटिकली डिस्कस द 4th year, 3rd year, 2nd year एंड पीपल विल प्रेज यू. And at that time, if they praise you, do tell them about this merchant navy decoded platform because it was created for positive word of mouth. Now done. Next thing is hydraulic circuit diagram. अब अगला जैसे आपने मनूवरिंग खत्म किया, ऑटोमेशन खत्म किया, then comes to hydraulic circuit diagram because on board ship you have got steering gear system, you have got ball remote control system. There are so many other systems with hydraulic system. You can complete this package and also see what is happening where practically out there on ship. भाई इज्जत मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. Done and dusted. Now guys. So आपने you have completed this whole junior engineer excellence package in the first 3 months on board ship because you utilized the before period, the waiting period and this period. Now what? Now straight away go back. Junior excellence package को बोलो bye bye. Go come to merchant navy decoded platform. Go to professional side, engine side. Go to MEO section and now when you are on ship, buy this MEO class 4 excellence package on board ship. When you buy this MEO class for excellence and start watching videos, now there is motor, there is MEP, there is naval architecture, there is written electrotechnology, safety. Now guys, motor, MEP, ये दो चीजें तो आपको शिप पे 3 महीने में खत्म करके आनी है. You have to finish these 2 modules on ship itself. You can leave this naval architecture, safety का part because this is theory. You can even come home and do it. You can leave electrical if you want, no worries with that. You can leave safety if you want, no worries with that. Yes, basically theory you can cover it over here. But when it comes to motor and MEP, बहुत सारी चीजें seeing overhauling on board ship. You have watched this video, you can go see अरे कहाँ पर है, थोड़ा बहुत मैनुअल पढ़ सकते हो. मोटर के अंदर we are doing this, we are doing that, a lot of things about oily water separator, refrigeration system, AC system. Now you are watching these videos and you are going into the engine room and seeing those tips yourself. Sir ये कैसे काम करता है? Now you know what to think, how to think, and then you can make your notes. Guys, 3 months on board ships, maybe 4 months, maybe 7 months का contract है. MEO क्लास 4 का ये दोनों खत्म करके आओ, यहाँ पर आके स्ट्रेट अवे थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई करो, स्ट्रेट अवे अप्लाई, गिव ऑल 6 written exams and 4 orals in the first attempt. I did that myself. Clear all written in first attempt, at least clear 2 orals, next attempt clear 2 orals. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Now merchant navy decoded has created a real big impact in your life. You earn respect on ship when you are on ship. You have cleared your MEO class 4 exams ASAP out here. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता. दिस इज द स्ट्रैटेजी दैट आई वांट यू टू हैव. पहले से एक प्लान रखिए अगर आप सिंसियर हैं, सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड है. इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट इन्वेस्टिंग मनी बट यूटिलाइजिंग दैट मनी रियली वेल एज वेल. एंड ये पूरा स्ट्रक्चर है गाइज यहाँ पे. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? इफ यू रियली ट्रस्ट मी, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी, देन दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. विद माई बेस्ट विशेज, टेक केयर, बाय.